For 2 whole years they hid the little boy in the roof of the hut. All they could give him to eat was potato peels. One day the secret trapdoor opened to his hiding place, and a smiling face said, "You can come out now. It's over. The war is over." The little boy refused to come out. He said, I'm not coming out until you promise me that if I do come out, I'll still get my potato peels." We are that little boy. We've lived so long in darkness and captivity that our horizons have shrunk, our aspirations have dwindled. We have no idea what it will be like when the moshiach comes. But when he arrives, all the things that made us happy and that we clung to will seem to us no more than potato peels.